In next 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you how you can build a brand for your business like top retailers in the industry to differentiate yourself from your competitors, which will allow you to charge higher prices for your services. So if you don't know me, I'm Ash and I have helped multiple businesses to scale to 6 and multi-six figure, and I'm here to share the strategies same with you guys. So with that being said, let's just straight dive into it. Now before moving forward, we have to understand what a brand actually is and how you can build it for your business. If you will Google it, what is a brand, you will get the definition that it is an identity which differentiates you from others or which makes you unique. For example, although there are thousands of shoe brands, but brands like Nike, Adidas, Skechers and more have a different type of recognition, you can just separate them easily from others, right? And the fact people pay more for these shoes rather than choosing some local brand, even though it may be of same quality with cheap prices. The question is, how do they do it? By building a strong brand in the market. Now how you can actually build a strong brand for your business. So I'm gonna share with you some points on how you can do the same. Here I'm not gonna go over making a logo or building a website, etc., because they are just two obvious things to do. The first point will be to have a unique selling point for your business. So to make yourself out from the crowd, you have to offer your service or position your service in a way that it stands out. Imagine if there is a client who wants ceramic coating done on their car and there are 50 detailers in your city. So chances of choosing you over others is like 1 out of 50. But if you have a unique selling point, like you are a certified installer with 20 years of experience, you can use that as a standing out point for your business. And there are multiple unique selling points you can create with your creativity. Second thing would be getting exposure, recognition. See, while building a brand for your business, you shouldn't focus on how many jobs I'm getting, how much money I'm making, but instead your focus should be on getting in front of as many people as humanly possible on a consistent basis, so that whenever someone needs any of these services, first name on their mind should be of your business. I can give you an example for that. Imagine like if there is a newly opened restaurant in your city and you find that everyone, including your friends and family, are talking about that restaurant and how good their services are, and you have also seen their ads or their content, like it keeps coming up on a regular basis. So maybe not today, or you won't maybe not go in this week or month, but whenever we get that cravings, like I want to go out and eat, the chances of you giving a try to that restaurant is way higher than some random restaurant you haven't heard of. Now coming back to the topic, how you can get a lot of exposure and recognition. So there are a lot of ways to do that, but I'm gonna tell you a few best of them which will give you best results. See, first of all, making valuable content where your potential clients are watching your content, which will build authority and professionalism for your business. And don't worry, I'm making an in-depth video about content creation for auto detailers, so I got you covered. Second, running ads for your business. This is by far the best and less effort required thing you can do to get more and more exposure and recognition for your business. Just play with targeting and you can get high-ticket clients so easily, but running it properly can be a hassle. So don't worry, I will make a video on this as well. Third will be building connections with other businesses like car dealerships, auto body businesses, tire businesses and more, which has an involvement of vehicles, so that you can ask to send referrals and you can also send the referrals to them. Or best, just take referrals and give them commissions for sending it. Fourth, same thing you can do for your clients as well, where you can ask for referrals from them by giving them a commission or a discount or a free service. So with that being said, building a brand is not a work of a day or a week, but it will take at least 3-4 months to start seeing good results. And I think it's totally worth if you are in business for at least 5 years or a decade. Now, if you want me to help you with all these and guide you on how to build a brand for your business, and help you to hit that six-figure mark, then there will be a link in the description where you can directly book a call with me, or you can message me on Instagram at Detailer Accelerator if you have any kind of doubts. And if you know someone who might be in need for this, just share this video with them. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys on the next one. Peace.